Hello everyone. So I'm here to teach you regarding some few topics related to economics. So first of all, this is my first video. Keep supporting, and I will be starting with the topic demand. So here we go with the definition as you are able to see on my screen. Um, we'll be starting with the definition part first. Now further going on, we'll be sharing more topics and more on demand. So what is demand? Here we are going with the definition part first. It is the quantity which a consumer wishes to purchase at a given price in a given period of time. What is it? Now, below it is written like demand is equals to desire plus capacity to purchase plus willingness. What all these three terms means. Now, starting with the desire, for example, we'll understand these three terms with the help of an example. So, for example, let's say I wish to buy an iPhone. So, in simple terms, I can say like I desire iPhone. I have a desire to buy an iPhone. So this is my desire, just a desire. Only one of these doesn't constitute the demand. Okay, all of these three constitute the demand. So, uh, getting back to my example, desire, I wish to buy an iPhone, but if I don't have money, I have no capacity to purchase that thing. So capacity to purchase is more related to the money part. We can also say the capacity to purchase, we also call it as purchasing power. If I have a desire to buy something and I have money, then only I will be able to purchase that thing. Third thing comes in willingness. If I have a desire, if I wish to buy an iPhone, I have money for this. Like, I wish to buy an iPhone and I don't have money. I did an internship and got some money, earned some money. Now I'm not willing to buy. So that means I don't demand. I have no demand for an iPhone. So I wish to buy an iPhone. I have money. Plus, after getting the money, I am willing to buy that thing. I'm willing to buy that commodity. So demand is equals to desire plus capacity to purchase plus willingness. Okay, hope you people got it. So what demand means? It is a quantity which a consumer wishes to purchase. Wishes here means desires at a given price, capacity to purchase in a given period of time, also willing to buy. So here are some conclusive points. Demand always measured in units, never in the monetary terms. Okay, so demand always measured in unit means if it is given in the monetary terms, then it means it is not a demand, it means expenditure. So for example, if Mr. A demands 100 kg of a commodity at a given price of rupees 10, 100 kg here is demand, rupees 10 here is price, and spends rupees 1000, that is expenditure, that is monetary terms. So demands itna units at itna price and spends itna rupees, that rupees thing is expenditure here. So we can say that demand is always measured in units, never in the monetary terms. Second conclusion is this majorly concerned with microeconomics, which deals with an individual unit only. Here we are talking about the demand. This is majorly linked with the microeconomics, which deals with an individual unit only. Third point is the consumer is a rational human being and wants to maximize his satisfaction. As we know, consumer has unlimited wants, so that comes here, and he always wants to maximize his satisfaction. Fourth one is demand means desire, demand, not actual purchase. Like, I took an example of an iPhone. Here I have a desire to buy, but if I have no money, that doesn't mean an actual purchase or demand. If I have a desire, if I have money and at last I am not willing to buy it, that also doesn't mean the actual purchase or demand. So demand means desire, demand, not an actual purchase. So Yeah, there must be some relationship between price and demand. Obviously, whenever we go somewhere to buy something, we always see the price associated with it. Whenever there is a demand, there is a price associated with that commodity. Last one is demand is a flow concept. What is flow concept? Because it is calculated in a given period of time. In the definition itself, it is mentioned it is a quantity which a consumer wishes, desire to purchase at a given price that is always constituted with the demand in a given period of time. We always have to calculate the demand but in a particular period of time, in a given period of time. That's why it is called a flow concept. So these are all the conclusions. So these all are the conclusions. So thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.